What is up, guys? It's your boy Logan, and we are back on the Logan Brown Show. For today, we're going to be reviewing the Supreme Wilson tennis balls that dropped for the second week of this spring and summer season, guys. I want to let you know that every single week of this season, I am going to try my very best to buy at least one Supreme item every single week, so I can start reviewing it on these videos. If you want to follow me on my journey week to week, please follow my Twitter right here, Supreme X Logan. Alright guys, that's where it really goes down, to Supreme X Logan. So follow that Twitter. And these tennis balls, guys, that we're about to review, these sold out in about 40 seconds, guys. That is less than 1 minute. Without further ado, let's get into this review. Here are the Supreme X Wilson tennis balls right here, guys. Wilson and Supreme teamed up to make these tennis balls, and whoo, they're pretty clean, guys. And like I said before, since I'm trying to cop some Supreme every single week that it drops, I'm gonna have things to sell. If you guys want any of the Supreme that I'm showcasing, hit me up. Alright guys, you can DM me on my Instagram. You never know, maybe I'll give you that Logan Brown Show discount. Here are the Supreme tennis balls. Now, before we even get into this, yes, this is an all-white Supreme bag. People sell these for $10 to $15, and it's pretty crazy. Now, first things first, before I even pull the balls out, guys, alright, this came with some stickers. All the stickers. Right here is the famous Monster Supreme box logo sticker right here. It's pretty cray. One thing about the sticker, you really feel the indent of the Supreme, and the reason being is because this sticker is glow in the dark, guys. Second sticker we got is the Chicken Dinner Supreme sticker. Yes, they dropped the Chicken Dinner shirts. They have other Chicken Dinner merch on the way. I think it's pretty funny. I really like it. And here we have the Supreme Chair sticker, guys. Yes, Supreme Chair sticker. I almost bought this because I was like, I'm never gonna get the sticker in the mail. It's never gonna come. I'm gonna buy this for like $5. I was gonna do it, but Supreme Chair sticker, I think it's pretty lit. It's all black and white, black and silver, I should say. It's pretty shiny. You have these emblems at the bottom, and it says New York. Last but not least, guys, we have Supreme poppy seeds. Yes, they sent me some Supreme poppy seeds, and Supreme dropped some working gloves. Yeah, like garden gloves, you know, has Supreme on them. But I was assuming that, hey, once you buy the gloves, then you get the poppy seeds. But yeah, I finally got these, guys. And on the back, it says, annual full sun, blooms in late spring to summer, 12 to 14 inches tall, poppy seeds. So supposed to bloom the spring and summer season. What do you know? Heirloom, the world's most popular ornamental poppy, a symbol of wartime sacrifice, grown for its striking beauty and remembrance. Yes, 300 milligrams of Supreme poppy seeds. Now again, guys, if you want to buy any of these stickers, if you want to buy some poppy seeds, I do have another bag of these. This one's a little banged up, so I'm actually going to use this one. But if you guys want to buy the actual clean and crisp one, just hit me up. But I am actually going to plant these in the Supreme pot. I'm going to make a Supreme pot, little pot, put Supreme sticker on it. We're gonna call the plant that comes out of that pot Young Poppy. Alright guys, so I want to see how these seeds actually work and see what this poppy plant is gonna look like for the spring and summer season, and I'll give you guys updates on it every single week, and we'll just watch Young Poppy grow up to be old Poppy, hopefully, and we'll see how it works. But poppy seeds, guys, poppy seeds. But now, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the Supreme tennis balls. Yes, let me get these stickers back in the bag real quick, and I'll pull out the tennis balls for all of you guys to see. Here we go, guys. The Wilson Supreme tennis balls right here in front of our very own eyes. Let's get this bag out of the way. Yes, guys, the Supreme X Wilson tennis balls right here, the collab that they made. As you can see right here, we have Wilson on the lid, and as you pop it, there would be a soda can type lid on the top of these that you pop open, but I did already break these open. You guys will see me open this on screen for the first time once we get to our tennis game, but here are the Supreme tennis balls, guys. The last Supreme tennis balls I dropped, they were neon yellow, and those dropped a while ago, like a long while ago. Alright, those are neon yellow, had Supreme on there. I think it had a white Supreme box logo, and then those all yellow, like a neon green, like a regular tennis ball. But these are all white, so they're just prone for getting dirty. And believe it or not, guys, I used one of these for one of the videos, and you can't even tell. Cause your boy know how to clean, alright? If you want these Supreme tennis balls, DM me on my Instagram or my Twitter, and who knows, I might give you that Logan Brown discount. These went for $16 on the Supreme website, and they sold out in about 40 seconds. Plus shipping, there's $10 shipping, so technically it's $26, but I'm not really tripping because they're reselling for about the mid 40s and 50s and whatnot. Pretty crazy. But here are the tennis balls. I gave you guys some close-ups of the box logo. Alright, as you guys can see, the whole tennis ball is covered in this wool, as you know, just as a regular tennis ball, but it's all white. And when's the last time you saw a white tennis ball? I think it's really different and really breaks the contrast from a regular tennis ball. The Supreme box logo is very clean. Somehow they're able to still print really well on the tennis ball, even though it's made out of wool. But hey, on the side you have a little box logo on here that says Supreme, and just like the Wilson, how it spreads across, everybody knows that famous Wilson spread that they got in the containers, guys. We got a classic Supreme spread now.
He's got it. It's gone.
Alrighty guys, that is it. Thank you for watching this review on the Supreme tennis balls by Wilson X Supreme, guys. I really appreciate it. But also, shout out to my boy Christian Saros for helping me film that short film. My boy Christian, he vlogs every single day. He has a vlogging channel, so please go check him out. Go check out his videos. He has some funny challenges. And me and him are really hoping to be able to collab on some more videos in the future. And it's going to be good, guys. But make sure you guys go check out his channel. If you guys want to see me in another video, if you guys want to see me on someone else's YouTube channel, again, go follow Christian Saros to see me in his vlog and see some behind the scenes of us filming that short film of that tennis duel. Make sure you guys slap the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and as always, I'll see you guys Wednesday.